is the only habit that will help you to sound more British. This is the only habit that will give you a British accent. Let me tell you a secret, okay? Most English learners think that a British accent come from learning sounds, studying phonetics, or even copying actors. It doesn't, okay? British accent comes from one habit, and if you can build this habit, your accent will change naturally without even forcing it. And I mean, lots of people out there, they might give you kind of like a random habits or random facts about how you get a British accent, but that is completely bollocks, okay? But here are the 3 questions. I want you to ask yourself these questions. And of course, I'm going to ask you these questions and of course, give yourself some answers. Before I tell you this one habit, of course, first question is, of course, do you listen to English or do you hear it? And the second question is, do you repeat English sounds out loud or only in your head? And of course, do you practice English every single day, even for 5 minutes? If your answer is yes, if your answer is no to any of these good questions, that means today is really matter. You need to know these habits, okay? The one habit that will actually give you a British accent, the only habit that will help you to sound more British, to help you sound even more like a native British English speaker. First of all, the one habit that is you have to have a daily is slow imitation. A daily slow imitation, what I mean by this, no fuss, you don't have to be fast, you don't have to rush when you speak in English. Not perfect, not even long. A slow imitation every single day, this is a habit that will change your entire pronunciation, that will change your entire accent. What is it slow down really mean? Slow imitation means that you do 3 things in this order. You listen, pause, copy, slowly, not copying words or copying music. Not of course. You need to listen, but don't speak it yet, okay? Choose one British voice, one accent, not 10 accents, okay? Not a random videos. One calm British speaker that speak with a modern received pronunciation. I've talked about this quite a lot. If you want to learn a British accent, a lot of people, they say, I want to learn a British accent, but that does not make any sense because there are lots of accents out there that you need to figure out what accent you want to learn. What I mean, what accent you want to learn, what I mean by identification. You need to identify what accent you are after, what accent you want to learn. Do you want to learn a received pronunciation, which is a modern RP Southern accent? Do you want to learn a Cockney accent? Do you want to learn a Birmingham accent, Manchester, or even Liverpool accent? You need to identify really what accent you want to learn. And after that, you have to just work on that accent and you need to relax your vowels. Do not repeat yet, okay? Just listen. The more you listen, the better you get over time. And you need to pause. This is where the most people skip because lots of people that don't skip the audio. Silence. Now ask yourself, where did your voice go up? Where did your voice go down? Which sounds were lazy. British English is full of lazy vowels. For example, schwa sounds were the laziest sound in British English. And after that, you need to copy slowly after that, and then you need to speak. But it's slow than the speaker. Yes, it's slower. British accents sound good because they are not rush. Examples, you might say, let's say for example, you might want to say, hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? You can say, how are you? Or you can say, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? You see, soft, calm, controlled, not pressure. I want you to do the same. Hello, how are you? So that's actually what British accent means, the only habit. This is why one habit works, because the accents live in timing and rhythm and even relaxation. Not in the rules, to be fair. Your mouth learns movement, not explanation. 5 minutes slow of imitation beats 1 hour of fast talking every single time. What to do daily? I would say easy and simple. Every day, 3 to 5 minutes. One sentence. For example, I gave you one sentence earlier. I say, hello, how are you? So you can practice multiple sentences at a time. But I highly recommend to practice sentence by sentence, and even you master your intonation and your rhythm. No stress, no books, no overthinking. Just listen, pause, and copy. What not to do? I would say do not practice fast. Jump between accents? No. Judge your voice? No. Try to sound posh? No. British accents sound very confident because they are comfortable. And I would say if you remember one thing, remember this. You don't need to get a British accent at first, okay? You need confidence. And the harder you try, the better you get. So you get by slowing down, slow listening, slow copying, and everyday practice. That's actually the one habit that will give you a British accent. That will change your accent entirely, okay? And I hope you follow these tips every single day to have a British accent. That's all about it. And if you like what you saw today, enjoyed this video, please give the video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.